Hello, welcome to room 423 at the Quakes Motel. My name's Conan, I'm the concierge. Today, a little bit different, sponsored video. Let's jump in. So if you watch my videos, you'll know that I don't normally do sponsorship or collaborations or anything like that. It's just not something I do. But this product stuck out. They sent me an email and they asked if I'd be interested in doing a 30-second, 1-minute ad or whatever in my videos. And, you know, to be honest with you, my response immediately was the same as it always is, and that is not interested. I don't do collaborations or sponsored videos. But then I read through it and I thought, actually, these guys seem okay. Let me have a click on it. Is it a scam? Is it real, etc.? And the more that I looked into the product, the more I kind of thought, actually, do you know what? I'm going to make an exception here. The biggest thing for me, the biggest exception that I liked was it's free. So I'm not going to try and sell you anything. I'm not selling you anything. This is 100% free, and they've told me they will continue to offer the app for free. It's an app, it's an online app. They're not going to take any money. There's no hidden fees or anything like that. So that was one of the reasons why I was interested in it, but also because it's an app that I will use. And this is another thing. If I do collaborations with people or I accept free stuff off people, it will be because I'm going to use the product or I believe in the product. And I don't want that to sound cliched or whatever, you know, because if you watch my videos, you know that I don't normally do these kind of videos. And I do get sent offers on a daily basis. People want to send me free shit, but I don't believe in it. And I don't feel I can give an honest review because they've given me something free. So you're compromised. So that's why I don't normally do it. But as I said, this is free. But they are sponsoring the video and they are paying me a small amount of money for my time. And I really, really appreciate that. But I said to them, I want to make a whole video on it because, you know, I feel like it warrants a bit more attention rather than a 30-second or a 1-minute video, you know. So they said, okay, cool, let's do it. So we'll jump in. It's an online app, and basically what it is it's a networking app. So, and you know me, I am constantly telling people that you need to get out there, you need to network, you need to get your music out there. No one's going to hear your music unless you send it out. And I see so many people get caught up in these scams where somebody says to them, look, if you give me $75, I'll put your demo on the desk of Def Jam or whoever, whatever it is. And these people get scammed because they pay up the money because they're desperate, that they have dreams, they have hopes, and they want their music to be heard. And they just think, oh, do you know what, $75, it's not that much. And then they just get scammed. These guys are not taking any of your money. They are literally building a worldwide network of musicians and artists, engineers, etc. And when it says, look, find producers, vocalists, and engineers to make music with. And it's as simple as that. That's basically what it is. You join up. You add some of your own music, or you want to check out other people's music, you can have a quick look here. I mean, look, tonivo.co.uk. Go and have a look. I'm not going to go through the entire website, etc., because it would just be boring. But basically, to break it down, firstly, it's 100% free. I love that. So I'm not, you know, they're not asking for any money, excuse me. Made by people like you. This was another thing that I liked as well. These guys are musicians and artists and engineers, you know, and I've had straight chats with them. I've said, this is what I like about it. This is what I don't like about it, you know, and I hope to get more involved in it, to be honest, because I really believe in it. I love the idea of a 100% free app where you can network with people all over the world. So as you can see here, look, you know, you add your own portfolio. So you have a digital portfolio. They're giving you your own digital portfolio, the space to have your own digital portfolio, which is amazing. You create your own profile, you find collaborators, you start collaborating. It's as easy as that. And all this other stuff here, like I said, not really going to go into it. And that's really it. You know, I mean, maybe I could have fitted it into 30 seconds or 1 minute or whatever. But, you know, I just felt that it kind of warranted a little bit more. So let's just quickly go through here. I think I have to go through here to get into the search thing. Yeah, so okay, so search comes up here. I've obviously made my own account. And then you go into search and you have filters. So you can pick, you know, by genre. Let's say I want to look for some hip hop artists. I want to look for producers, artists, and engineers. You know, this is what I like as well. You know, the people will complete their own profiles. You kind of have a way of checking first whether these are people worth collaborating with. Because again, on things like social media, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, etc., you don't really know whether you're dealing with a scam artist or not, or you don't know whether you're actually dealing with somebody who can actually do what they say. You know, how often have I seen somebody giving it large, giving it the old, yeah, you know, I produce this, I produce that. You know, the proof's in the pudding. I want to see it. So here you can do that. And look, there's all these multiple genres. They might add more, I guess, if there are some more to add. If you've got any ideas for genres that maybe they can add, get in touch with them. They seem very, very approachable. They seem like a great bunch of guys. And it's, you know, it's really as simple as that. You know, you can go on this Discover thing. You can just start going through people. And as you can see, you know, there's a lot of people that have joined it already, but it is fairly new. I'm not exactly sure how long it's been up and running. A couple of months, I'm guessing. I think they approached me about a month ago. So look, this is producers, artists, engineers. I'm assuming that they are going to continue to grow. They're going to continue to add, you know, different filters, different people that you can get in touch with. They might break it down. They might start going for singers or rappers or songwriters or, you know, whatever. But, you know, it's as easy as that. You can literally take a lucky dip and just say, okay, what does this person do? Do I want to collaborate with them? And then you can start collaborating with them. Now, there are other things that they're doing as well. They're doing things like Beat of the Week. I'm guessing that maybe they might start doing things like they might highlight artists. They might, you know, do like a hip hop week or a grime week or a rock week or something like that. And, you know, what I like about them is they're not only giving you a free space to collaborate with other people, they're kind of giving you a subtle little push as well, because by doing things like Beat of the Week and stuff like that, you're showcasing yourself up against other artists. You know, it's a friendly competition. I don't know whether there's any prizes involved or anything. I've got no idea, but they're giving you the space to do it. That's the most important thing. And, you know, look, if I'm going to break it down simply, all they've really done is just given you a hub. They've given you a space for free, absolutely free, to go out there and collaborate with other people, to just, you know, make that first step, you know, and that, the first, you know, when I think back in the day, in the olden days before electricity, you know, when I used to, you know, network, obviously I was a bit luckier because I was a DJ. So, well, I still am a DJ, but, you know, I was DJing in the 80s, so I was networking that way. If you're a DJ, you kind of got a little bit of a head start when it comes to networking, because you're kind of the life and soul of the party. You're playing the music to everybody. And afterwards in the green room or whatever, you get to meet the other artists, the other DJs. You get to meet, you know, marketing people. You get to meet record label owners. You get to meet A&R people. So I did have a little bit of a head start. But, you know, I've always been networking. But now a lot of networking is done online, but it's still difficult to sift through all of the crap to work out what are the good things. And I think that this is a good site. I do, and I wouldn't be doing this video otherwise, to be honest. I'm not, you know, I've explained before, I'm not all about getting sponsorships, getting money in and just covering something just to get the money. It's just not me. I'm just not about that. And it probably means I'll be poor for the rest of my life, but I'll sleep well at night. And that to me is more important. But this I believe in, and this is why I agreed to do a sponsored video with them, collaborate with them, because, you know, I love their attitude. You know, I wish I could show you the emails that they sent me. But their whole attitude is just that they want to help. They want to, you know, they realised themselves that this was lacking, that there wasn't somewhere where you could network immediately. So I just get back to the networking thing. You know, I used to have to send tapes out to record labels, etc. You know, that was the way that you did it, and you would go to certain parties and things like that. Now we have the internet, so it is easier to network, but you still have to sift through all the crap, like I said. So this app, website, etc., gives you somewhere to start. So, you know, look, you don't even have to sign up if you don't want to. You can just go and have a look at it and decide whether you want to, you know, speak to people. But I would suggest signing up, creating your own profile, adding a few bits of music. Even if you just add one beat, just add it and see where it takes you, because you've lost absolutely nothing and you've possibly gained everything, because you could end up working with somebody who lives 12,000 miles away, who is totally on your vibe, loves the music that you're producing, you love the music that they're producing, and you end up making a track together, and, you know, the world is your oyster. So, like I said, I just want to say it again, I mean, I had to check on YouTube before I did this, because I've never done one before, I'll be honest. The sponsored video thing, you have to be transparent. You have to say this video is sponsored, it is paid for, but what I can proudly say is that I'm not trying to sell you anything, because the product that I've reviewed that I'm being sponsored by today is 100% free, and the payback that you could potentially get from joining up to this 100% free product without any catches is immense. It's infinite, it's endless, because the more people that join it, the more people you're going to be able to collaborate with. And it's just, hopefully, I really, really do genuinely hope it's just going to grow and grow and grow, and it will stay free. They've told me that. I made them literally write it down for me and say, are you going to stay free, or are you going to change your mind in 3 months' time and start, asking for subscription fees, etc.? They have said that they are staying free, and I really, really do hope that is the case. I really do, because it's a great app. So go and have a look at it. Tonivo.co.uk. I've been saying Tovino all morning. That's why I had to just look at the screen then to check that it's Tonivo or Tonivo, or etc. Like I said, I should have asked how to pronounce it. I'm going to stop rambling now. I've forgotten what room I'm in the Craig's Motel, but thanks for watching. This is the Craig's Motel. My name's Conan. I'm the concierge. Till next time.
Concierge.